Why do we sneeze when we look at the sun? Imagine stepping outside on a bright day, the sun dazzling above. Suddenly, you're hit by a tickling sensation in your nose, and before you know it, choo, it doesn't make sense. Sunlight and sneezing seem worlds apart, like spaghetti and ice cream. So, what gives? People might think it's an allergy to the sun. Nope. It's actually a quirky genetic trait known as the photic sneeze reflex. Imagine if every time you heard your favorite song, it made you dance involuntarily. This ticklish reflex is kind of like that, but without the rhythm. Here's how it works. The theory goes that bright light triggers the optic nerve but accidentally sends signals to the trigeminal nerve, the nerve responsible for facial sensations, including your nose. Think of it as a crossed wire in your body's communication system. The real twist? Researchers believe up to 35% of the population has this sneezing superpower. So, next time you sneeze in the sun, know you're part of a bright and sneezy club, a luminous lineage of sun sneezers.